Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making Tata pizza squishy. Delicious. I know you guys are excited about that. So without further ado, let's just get started on to making the pizza. It's very thick and nice. So now we are going to be drawing the shape on it. You guys know the drill. We need measurements for this, for it to be perfect and nice. Yup, like that. And now let's just cut it out. It's nice if you have a sharp pair of X-Acto knife with you. So it's almost nicely shaped. Now I'm just gonna cut the indentation for the crust, between the crust and the cheese. So this is like the final product, I guess. So I'm gonna be painting this right now, just so that I can dry after. Find a place to poke a hole into, so that I can hang it while I'm painting it. Glass paint to go over it. Since I don't have fabric paint, I'm gonna use glass paint to like as a base. It's like this primer thing if you do makeup. So this is the final look. I think I'm gonna make like the colors a bit brighter after, but for now this is how it looks like. I really like the texture and everything like that. I really like how it's very cartoony and very like pastel. And now I'm gonna use a pencil to draw the cheese dripping effect. So let's start. Now I'm gonna paint it with the cheese color. So I already mixed up my paint. It's This is the pizza. I'm trying to fit those cute little heart-shaped pepperonis into this small little space without making it too awkward. A little pepperoni here. So now that I'm done painting all the hearts, I'm gonna use a pencil to draw on the faces. I don't know if you guys get what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to place Tata on the pizza as pepperonis. So yeah, these heart shapes are actually Tata.
언제까지 기다리기만 하려는지 내 입은 고장난 듯이지 움직이질 않아 속으로만 삼킨 내 목소리 널 불러
I'm gonna attach an eye pen to the pizza. Now I'm going to draw Tata's face shape. It's like a heart shape, but at the same time, it's not symmetrical. So I'm gonna be making the right heart bigger. Now let's just cut it out. Now it's time to paint on the face details. I already used pencil to put on the marking, and now I'm just gonna use paint to trace all over it. Yeah, to add some color. So now I already put it in a package. I'm just waiting for it to peel off. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and this squishy as well. Make sure you subscribe right below if you haven't already. Like this video if you haven't already. Comment down below if you'd like to see any other videos. Maybe I will do that. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.